her downstairs. So there's 3 bedrooms here. This is the this is the same size ng house ni Polohanan. So same. Then there's a
2 sinks, which is nice.
sinks. The sink, yeah.
Spa tub and 2 closets.
Yeah.
2 closets.
Two
Is always
closets.
nice.
And then this is see, that's nice kasi the laundry is upstairs. That's an extra bedroom. 3 bedroom down here.
Oh, look, your washer dryer is upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know. So nice. Yeah. It's hard when you have. So this is the bed.
So all your wishes
Okay,
have been granted.
Oh, this is a big room.
This is a big room for
This is a big room. Yeah, this is a big room.